Good morning. It's Friday the 24th of May and it's game weekend. Playing the Eagles. We go to Prague today, 7 p.m. See you later.
Afterlife, but you find some other mechanism by which it says, hey, don't worry, the party's not going to end soon.
I'm not even saying that, but the party might end. It might not matter.
One bad toss, that's gone.
Packed, ready to go. Play the Eagles. 3 games set. 1 game tonight, 1 game tomorrow in Prague. Back here Sunday. It's a great day, huh? Great day for some baseball. Happy opening day. It's opening day. Stranded. Just got the Eagles. Welcome back. Day 2. Game 2 today, 1 p.m. Lost game 1 last night. 7-4. It was all right, but game 2. This is the hotel we're staying at, somewhere in Prague. Pretty cool. I'll show you the rooms later. Four beds. 4. Game time.
What up?
Wani's ready.
Let's go win some.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Coleman. Your Nukes win game 2. 5-0. And now we're watching hockey semifinals of the Euros. Oh, nice field. Beautiful views too. Look at these homes. Game 3 tomorrow, 1 p.m. Bye-bye. See ya. We'll see if Danny gets salmonella poison or food poisoning in 20 minutes.
I'll be fine.
Good job, Jake.
I'll be fine.
2 fucking bananas.
Zrzekl jsi něco řekl? Mluvit, vole, zprostě. Se tady trošku krotil na sebe jazyce.
Já vím. Já jsem nejlepší aparát. Jo. Siona, použít ještě na ten číp. Ten aparát tady ještě jedna. Já jsem nejdělám. Co jsem let? Co jsem let?
Papi. Oh. Swaggy. Game 3, 1 o'clock today. Just finished workout. We'll see you outside. ¿Qué pasa, mi hermano? ¿Qué pasa?
Brilliant. Can you explain this?
Yeah, we're gonna. Hey guys, welcome back. Lost game 3, but you know what? Coming back for Drací. Words of the day. Failure only means opportunities of learning. So we're gonna get better. We're gonna come back faster, stronger, and better. See you against Drací Thursday.